Sadman Shariar and this is your team PNG.
So here we are today to introduce you to a very beautiful place which is
Right behind us.
And this place is mostly known as Nandihat Zamidar Bari.
Or Shotto Shahar Jomidar Bari.
So without any further delay, let's take a tour, people.
Let's find it out. What's inside?
The history of this Zamidar Bari is more than just a simple story. 1,000-year-old mysteries will boggle even the most curious of minds. Back to 1890s, Sri Lokhicharan Shaha built this house to show his luxuriousness or inherited wealth. Or we can say he used to love being the glamour spot. He, along with his two brothers, Nishikant Shaha and Malbuk Shaha, started Zamindari in the area, including Bhalai, Bhumar Mardon, Hathajari, Chobra, Najra, Alipur and Fatehbad are considered as part of Hathajari Union.
At the time of Zomidar Prashanna Kumar Shaha, people of the dynasty lived a very luxurious life. They used horse-drawn carriages and well-equipped palanquins for going out and traveling around the area. There were 50 servants and each day cooking was done for 200 to 300 people at a time. You guys can guess what a lavish life they lived.
তো বৈভবের অভাব না থাকলেও বর্তমানে এইসব শুধু এখন রূপকথা বা কাল গল্প মাত্র। তবে বলা বাহুল্য পাড়ের দুপাশে উঁচু হয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকা গম্বুজ দুটি শাহ পরিবারের গর্বের প্রতীক সেই ব্রিটিশ আমল থেকে।
Usually, we don't get to see such domes in any Zomidar Bari. That's why it makes us more curious to know the history behind these. Locals believe that these domes were used to hide treasures or valuable things in the British era, which seems very interesting.
The architectural style of this Zamidar house can be one of the most spectacular places for anyone. A beautiful two-story Zamidar house with two domes is just a masterpiece. বাড়ির পূর্ব দিকটি ছাড়া বাকি তিন দিকেই রয়েছে ফসলি জমির সমারোহ। এছাড়া রয়েছে ব্রিটিশ আমলের রেলওয়ে জাংশন, রেল লাইন, বড় বড় তিনটি পুকুর এবং একটি পারিবারিক শ্মশান।
This Zamidar house with its ancient heritages has survived to this day as the witness of history. Although this Zamidar house is dilapidated in the course of time, but its serious tradition and beauty still exists.
However, this is not the end of this amazing historical site. Like শেষ হয়েও হইল না শেষ. Year 1934, a true gem was born in the Zomidari dynasty and he was none other than Shotto Shaha, a national award-winning musician, composer, lyricist as well as director. His journey began with Ali Mansoor's film Jana Jani, but his first release was Sutorang, which is produced by Subhash Shotto in 1964. It's to be noted that between 1984 and 1999, Shotto Shaha has gained immense fame by conducting music for 200 films and producing 20 films. The story, dialogues, music of the great Bengali film Oshikhito and Chotir Ghonta are produced by Shotto Shaha and his wife Ramla Shaha, which aroused a great response in the Bengali society at the time. Again, the famous song named Tumi Ki Dekhecho Kobu, Chena Chena Lage Tobu Ochena and Bondhu Hote Che Tomar Shotru Bole Bhonnu Holam and many more popular songs are still in the heart of millions. He won the National Award for Best Music Director in 1994 for Aguner Poroshmani and again in 1997 for Ojante. He was also honored as posthumous Shadinata Puruskar in 2013 for his contribution to music.
Okay, let me tell you a hypo fact now. In the middle of 1975, the movie Oshikhito was shot right here in his own Zamidar Bari. পুরো বাড়ির মূল ভবন, পার্শ্ববর্তী বিল, পুকুর এবং রেল লাইনে হয় গানের শুটিং। এবং এখানে একটু করে বলে রাখি, আমার নিজের বাবা দলবল নিয়ে নাকি এসেছিলেন এই মুভির শুটিং দেখতে। তাহলে আপনারা এখানে একটু গেস করতেই পারেন যে কি পরিমাণ ফেমাস হয়েছিল তখন মুভিটা। এবং এই চলচ্চিত্রের মূল অভিনেতা ছিলেন নায়করাজ রাজ্জাক, নায়িকা অঞ্জনা এবং খলনায়কের চরিত্রে ছিলেন এটিএম শামসুজ্জামান।
আমি এক পাড়া পাহারাদার সাধ্য আছে কার বাবার আমি এক পাহারাদার সাধ্য আছে কার বাবার আমার চোখে ধুলা দিয়া হইয়া যাবি পার
এখন নায়ক রাজ্জাকের রোল প্লে করছে এই বাড়ির দেখাশোনা করছে সাবেক কাস্টমস অফিসার ননী গোপাল সাহা এবং অবসরপ্রাপ্ত অধ্যাপক স্বপন কুমার সাহা। After exploring the whole Bari, we want people to know more and more about our own histories, heritages, and most of all about our roots. And you guys already noticed that this Bari is not well presented and preserved. What if we get enough fun and make this palace a beautiful one as before?
প্রায় 5 একর জায়গার উপর অবস্থিত এই বাড়িটির নানা কারুকার্য খচিত দেয়াল, স্তম্ভ ও কার্নিশ খুবই দৃষ্টিনন্দনীয়। তবে বাড়ির কোথাও কোনো রডের গাঁথুনি নেই, শুধু লাল ইট আর চুনামাটি দিয়ে তৈরি। As the Bari was built without any rod on the structure about 100 years ago, we would like to propose the location to be preserved of the structural retrofitting and chemical conservation basis. We can clearly notice that there are so many cracked and decay patterns on the wall. Because of the aging process of limestone, orange patina, oxidation spots and dark crusts are also caused. This slow and inevitable aging process has affected the structural stability due to different possible origins like material deterioration, anthropic modification, or climate and environment changes. Using adequate materials, techniques, and detailing with regard to chemical and mechanical interactions between the new and the existing will help in preservation. Above all, specific expert authorities should find out the reason behind this kind of structural fallout and act on the basis of retrofitting and chemical conservation.
In case of swapping up the ownership of the Zomidar Bari, a member of Shah family told us that
প্রবলেম হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে দেবস্তর বাড়ি, বুঝছেন? এখানে আমাদের ভোগ করার অধিকার আছে, কিন্তু আমাদের বিক্রি করার অধিকার নেই।
he also assured us that by taking permission of all the legal guardians of the Bari, we can do any sort of renovation or changes that might be needed. In the end, he also want the Bari to be recognized by all around the country people because it has withstood the test of time as a pride of Chittagong city.
As this place has an inherent connection with music, how about making this place a music museum? And if all plan works, this will be the first ever interactive music museum in our country. Isn't that great? Okay, let me be more specific. In the museum, there will be a portion for a music library where all kinds of books on music and art, audio tapes, video tapes of all kinds of Bangla music will be presented. And in another portion, we can have a musical cafe so that people can enjoy reading their books with a cup of coffee in one hand and with good background music.
Speaking of music museum or music cafe, there must be a question arise that is it really odd to have a place like this in such a rural area, or how people gonna read this place? Here I wanna add that University of Chittagong is just 2 kilometers away from the Bari, which means we have an opportunity to have a great audience of 30k people with a sense of music. And of course, I must say this location is easiest to find for the varsity student as well as the mass people of the country.
Before watching this video, many of us didn't know that চট্টগ্রাম শহরের কিছুটা দূরে গেলে রয়েছে 100 বছরের এই পুরনো বাড়িটি।
এবং এলাকাবাসী মনে করে পুরনো ঐতিহ্য ও কালের সাক্ষী হয়ে থাকা এই বাড়িটির সংরক্ষণের ব্যবস্থা নেওয়া খুবই জরুরি। And it's high time we should take steps.
Otherwise, the Bari along with its stories will be vanished from the history forever.